नमस्कार। आज एक्सियम का कैमरा आपको अरिस्टोक्रेट सेक्टर 49 golf course extension road पे आया है. Godrej Aristocrat at this part actually has around about 9.56 acre of the land parcel. It has around about 6 towers. And the best part of this area, it has a dedicated 1 acre forest area that actually gives you a sense of relaxation, peace, and poise. What most talks about it actually sits on bang on 300-meter of sector road that gets connected with your extension road with the dedicated proposed corridor that is going to be a signal free incoming area. You never get this property at a throwaway price what this developer is actually promising, and around about 6 kilometers in the vicinity at the current price what they're actually offering. I guess the deal actually becomes no brainer for anyone to actually be part of Godrej Aristocrat. To actually dive deep inside, we actually going to take you inside the location part. लेट्स गो. एक्सियम का कैमरा आपको लेकर आया है गोदरेज की प्रॉपर्टी में ओवरलुकिंग गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड दैट इज सेक्टर 49. द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज अभी तक गोदरेज एनसीआर में आउटर रिंग रोड्स, द्वारका, अदर माइक्रो मार्केट पे था. अब एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट माइक्रो मार्केट है विच इज nothing but bang on golf course extension road. To learn more about it, we'll talk about it. But to have to said that, आज हम आए हैं उनके sample flat में, which is 4 BHK plus S, which is servant. Servant आपका side में है. Now I'm going to take you into the sample flat. जो आज हम आए हैं, that is Godrej, sector 49, Aristocrat. उनका जो sample flat है, this sample flat is 4 BHK plus S, which is servant. Servant आपका main entry के side वाला room है. उसके साथ में there's an attached balcony, which is the utility balcony. अब मैं आपको first bedroom दिखाने वाला हूँ. The first bedroom actually is right next to as you come inside. उसके साथ में लगता हुआ there's a first bedroom which is opening towards the living and dining. यहाँ पे you have a attached bathroom, an overlooking balcony which is then showcasing yourself to the forest. जो आगे का forest feature है मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊं, but in short वो 1 acre का लैंड पार्सल है जिसके नीचे बेसमेंट नहीं होने वाली है. कंप्लीट फॉरेस्ट कवर है, जो जिसको डेंस फॉरेस्ट जिसको हम कहते हैं, विच इज लाइक अमेजोन के फीचर्स में जो ब्राजीलियन फॉरेस्ट होती है उस टाइप का डेंस फॉरेस्ट एरिया. द गोदरेज अरिस्टोक्रेट प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज कॉलिंग इज एक्चुअली डूइंग. अब हम आगे जा रहे हैं. I'm going to take you to the living and the dining area. The living and the dining area is huge out here, which is again overlooking towards the forest. तो फॉरेस्ट के साथ लगता हुआ ये जो balcony है, which is around about more than 49 feet of the running balcony, around about 6 feet of breadth. Now let me take down you to the kitchen area. The kitchen actually, by the way, has the lower and the upper deck, which is the modular kitchen. Then you have the basin जिसमें आप अपने बर्तन धुलवा सकते हैं लोगों से. Then you have a knob, the chimney. This area then overlooks, यहाँ से आपकी utility है. You can put your washing machine there. It is also then connected towards your servant room, जो servant आपका यहाँ से आ सकता है. Now let me take down to, अगर आपके लिए मेहमान आए हुए तो मेहमान को definitely you would require them to actually have a separate washroom. Now let me take you to the separate washroom which is actually out here. This washroom is again connected with the bedroom. ये washroom आपका हो गया. The best part of the washroom is the Godrej is promising you will have all fixtures excepting the wall ceiling and the lights. Right next to that जो running lobby है आपकी इस साइड की, उस रनिंग लॉबी के साथ में लगता हुआ देयर इज अ बेडरूम. उस बेडरूम का प्राइम फीचर्स ये है, यू कैन एक्चुअली यूटिलाइज दैट फॉर योर किड स्पेस. आपके छोटे बच्चे, इफ यू हैव अ लड़का और अ लड़की, give them a private space, let them enjoy overlooking balcony. They can actually have a pajama party outside, chill out with their friend, Netflix and chill. You pretty much have a luxurious feeling out here. 10.5 feet of wall to height ceiling out here. Then after that, I'm going to take you to the third bedroom. The third bedroom is very similar to what you actually watched here. You have an attached bathroom out here. The attached bathroom actually, again, you have an overlooking balcony. With an overlooking balcony, the same thing out here, the same features, 10.5 feet, floor to ceiling. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. I am telling you, you're going to love it. Why do I say it? Because unlike any other bedrooms around this micro market, within the Golf Course Extension Road, you will not get this kind of inventory at a price point what Godrej is promising. There may be other developers, but Godrej actually supersedes that. Let me just get you inside. So the best part is that you have an overlooking wardrobe. The wardrobe actually extends within that wardrobe. That's a small column. You have again, adjoined fixtures for the bathroom. Again, an overlooking balcony. This balcony outside gets extended for living. One bedroom, around about two bedrooms are actually exposed towards, have an exposure towards the forest area or that balcony area. Now we have actually exhausted the whole area. Now if you take yourself behind and see the whole column, you will see a breath of fresh air in this area. I'll tell you, you will actually enjoy your living here. Why miss it? Now let's talk about the payment plan.
जो गोदरेज एरिस्टोक्रेट का पेमेंट प्लान है वो CLP वो विच इज़ कंस्ट्रक्शन लिंक प्लान. इसकी पेमेंट आपकी स्टार्ट होती है 5%. आप एप्लीकेशन मनी के वक्त देते हैं, 5% आप अगले 7 दिन के अंदर, अगले 10% 60 दिन के अंदर, और अगले 10 और % जो देते हैं वो 90 दिन के अंदर. जो 15% और पेमेंट देनी है वो आपने कंप्लीशन ऑफ टावर ऑफ ग्राउंड स्लैब के ऊपर देनी है. अगले 10% आपने देनी है on completion of 10th floor, एंड अगली 10% आपने देनी है on the completion of 20th floor slab के ऊपर. फिर उसके बाद आपकी 5% पेमेंट है वो होगी आपकी completion of terrace slab. उसके बाद आपकी 10% पेमेंट आपकी कंप्लीट होगी ऑन द कंप्लीशन ऑफ यूनिट इंटरनल प्लास्टर, कि आपने घर के अंदर जो यूनिट है उसका इंटरनल प्लास्टर जब कंप्लीट हो गया तब आप 10% देते हैं. फिर 10% आप तब देते हैं जब आपने यूनिट की फ्लोरिंग एक्सक्लूडिंग, मतलब आप उसके अंदर वुड का जो फ्लोरिंग होती है वो इंक्लूड नहीं हो रही है, एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं, तब आप देते हैं 5%. फिर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑक्यूपेंसी सर्टिफिकेट जिसको आप OC कहते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, और लास्ट में 5% आप देते हैं ऑन द इंटीमेशन ऑफ पोजेशन, जब आपको पोजेशन देना चाह रहे होते हैं.
आप लोगों की परमिशन चाहूंगा. We have actually wrapped up the whole process of Aristocrat. We've also given you the best overview of the whole area, its basic amenities. We've also then talked about the number of inventory that is completely available, and we've also talked about the payment plan. We've also talked about its USP of the project. With that sense, मैं आप लोगों से permission लूंगा just to end this program and to actually take you to the next episode of Axiom. At Axiom, we definitely believe actually creating a life for first-time buyers or for investors. It should be the process of buying homes or residential or commercial for that matter, as simple as buying a car. So with that, I take your leave. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and like, subscribe and share this content with as many people who are actually buying, are in the process of buying, or are deciding to buy in the Gurgaon market.